Hi, my name's Kelly. I'm a CBT therapist and forensic psychologist. Today we're going to take a little bit of a look into mindfulness. So you may have heard about mindfulness, but I wanted to explain just a little bit more about what it is and potentially how you can use it in your life. So mindfulness is an awareness. It's an awareness of life as it is without judgment. As you are, how people are, and how situations are. It's about the here and now. The practice of mindfulness is that repetitive act of directing your attention to only one thing in one moment. It's to help you to gain control of your attention rather than letting your mind hijack you or take you to places that you're not in at the moment. And it's about whatever your attention is on, you can use it. And it's about looking at what your life is in any given moment. So if you imagine that your mind is like a TV, it's always on, but you just can't find the remote. Sometimes it might keep playing the same scary movie over and over again. And training your mind to pay attention is like finding the remote control. And when you practice over and over again of training your attention to one thing in one moment, your capacity over being able to train your attention goes stronger. And people who practice mindfulness, as it is a practice, they can get better at even enduring pain, they can get better at solving problems, can get better at not creating maybe misery for themselves, and better at participating fully in the moments in life that are joyful, but also going through the moments that may be quite painful. And there's been research that can show that mindfulness can actually alter the brain's chemistry. The pathways in the brain can actually change when people start to practice mindfulness. So with mindfulness, there are many different ways that you can practice it. And you can do it via your breath. So just focusing on your breath. That is one thing in one moment. I've got lots of other videos on meditations, and a lot of them you will see in the title have mindfulness. Or it could be more of an active activity. So this is when you're just starting to practice. So when you brush your teeth, your brain is probably going over so many different things. You don't actually focus on just brushing your teeth. So a way to practice mindfulness is to bring your attention back on the act of just brushing your teeth. And when you start to do this, start to brush your teeth, your mind is used to going over, it's used to not finding the remote control, so it's just going to be going everywhere. But just bringing your attention back to just brushing your teeth. You may want to tune in to some of the senses that are activated when you are brushing your teeth. So the taste, the smell, the sounds, the movement, all of those is going to help you to bring your attention back to the moment. And that is a really simple way of getting you into practicing mindfulness. So whether it is through a mindfulness-based breath activity, such as just counting how many breaths you have in the moment, and remember to check out that video that I just mentioned. Or it could be an act such as brushing your teeth. And once you get used to doing the smaller activities, you found that remote, you can then translate that into larger activities, such as maybe when you go for a walk, being able just to bring your attention back to just walking in that moment. Or it could be about following a recipe. The options are really quite endless. But I hope that gives you a bit of an insight into what mindfulness is, so being in the present moment, non-judgmentally, and how you can actually use it in practice. I hope that helps. Thank you, and please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like to see.